Well, welcome back. We have another segment of In Your Neighborhood with none other than Constance, Leslie, and Anne. And we might be joined by Tony later, but we'll have to see. Well, ladies, welcome. How are you all doing?
Fine.
Great.
Good.
Well, good. Well, obviously with this whole stay-at-home thing, it's got to be challenging because we can go outside in a little bit and we can keep our distance and we can do this and wear masks and, it's a lot to take in. And we're hoping that we're kind of towards the end, but we really don't know. So what I want to do is I want to hear from each of you, what you're doing to pass the time. How are you meeting with your friends now? Because you guys are really active. So tell me a little bit about what you're doing. We'll start with Constance.
Yes, I am staying quite active because I was introduced to realmahjong.com.
Oh.
And so I can play it in real time with people. So my son, who lives in Porterville, who I had taught how to play it, I let him know about it. And we literally play sometimes 3 or 4 hours a day.
Wow.
And because of the fact we are talking on the phone at the same time we're playing this on the internet, it's like you're sitting next to him because he's screaming and I'm screaming and we're angry at this and whatever. So that's one of the things that has helped. And I do play bridge online, not with anyone. That one's just with the computer. So hopefully it'll keep me. And then I teach 2 classes on Zoom. On Tuesday, I have one, and Wednesday I have one. And then because I went ahead and signed up for Zoom, so I have my own account, I started having my Bible study on Fridays because my girlfriend's couldn't come over for Bible study anymore. So I'm getting a lot of socializing at a very safe distance.
That is awesome. That's a really good idea. And we'll put up that link there for the Real Mahjong because I know a lot of people play, a lot of people want to know how to play. So that's a good one. Thank you for that. Leslie, how about you?
Well, actually, I have been, I'm going to say super busy, which is really crazy in this time. But honestly, I also have a Bible study every Thursday from 3 to 5, and we are online and everyone is hooked up. So we have 8 ladies that join every single week, and we've got our video taken care of so we can share the video. So we see the movie, then we talk about the movie or whatever the segment is. But actually, we're studying John right now. And it is absolutely incredible because we can all be together. It seems like we're in the same room. And we get the lesson through the video. We watch it together just like...
Yeah, I mean, who would have known? Uh-oh, we lost Leslie. Oh, sorry, Leslie. Oh, there you are. You're back.
Yeah.
Try again. Yes, continue.
It was potential spam that tried to cut in on us.
We got to watch out for all that stuff.
I know. So anyway, Easter came and went. I have 3 children that have all been in lockdown. So my daughter and grandson came and we all wore our mask, and we had a beautiful Easter, and that was really, really great. And we played at Monopoly after lunch, after dinner. All right. That went until 1 o'clock in the morning. And they were screaming.
Yeah, good.
But yeah, we've been, and then I've been helping out my husband at his office, and there's no one there except me and him. So, it's just the 2 of us here, and then we go there, and it's the 2 of us there. But at least we have separate rooms.
Right. Oh, that's good. Well, at least you can get out a little bit too. And how about you? What have you been doing with yourself?
Oh man, I hate to admit it, but sometimes I wear my pajamas all day.
No, you mean you've changed from your day pajamas to your night pajamas?
Well, it's a very quick transition.
Okay, well, that's okay, but we can hang out in our jammies too. But what have you been doing while you're hanging out in your jammies?
I'm watching the television all day long.
Oh, okay. Are you learning?
Sorry.
Cool stuff. Are you watching movies or what are you doing?
No, I'm watching Fox and CNN all day long.
Oh no.
no.
And I don't normally watch them, but
Oh,
I'm just like watching them because I just keep thinking something's going to change, and it doesn't change.
ugh, I know. I think
So
we're all waiting for that.
I go for a walk. I take a walk every day.
Good.
And last night I ordered pizza and had it delivered. That was the first time I've had something delivered.
Okay. How was that experience? Did it go okay?
Pardon me?
Did your experience ordering pizza go okay?
Yeah, it was good. They
Okay.
messed up the first order, and so then I called back, and it must have gone through one of those service delivery companies the
Good.
first time on the computer, and then they didn't come. So I actually called Papa John's and placed another order. So I have to check and make sure I didn't get charged for the same dinner twice.
That is correct. That is correct. And then you
Yeah.
said you've been walking. So are you walking around your community?
Just walking around my community. I only go out in the car once or twice a week. I mean, I go out to pick up a prescription or I go out to pick up some food,
Okay.
but I don't really, I don't go out very much, and I'm not spending a lot of time on the phone either.
Okay.
I have a reserved spot on my couch.
Which is
And
possibly
so-
significantly indented right now.
Yeah. So my life is not nearly as exciting as everybody else's.
Well,
Well,
let's-
and you need to call the 19 restaurant right
Yes.
up here. They have the best pizza ever, and they will deliver.
Oh,
I've
really?
also ordered their prime rib with
Ooh.
grilled asparagus that was just to die for. Of course, it lasted me 3 meals because
Oh,
it was
yeah.
so large. But
Wow.
definitely, we've really made a point of that, of trying to support the 19 so that they can stay operable, and by
Yes.
ordering. And I have gone up there and picked something up, but they do deliver in the village here. It's very
Oh, I
easy.
didn't know
for
that. Somebody told me that they had ordered a hamburger and picked it up there, took it home, and it was really delicious.
Their
And
food is so
I didn't know they
good.
were delivering as well.
Yes, they are. So
have they,
yes,
have they adjusted their prices? Do you find that their prices are the same or are they more discounted?
they've given a discount on their prices.
Ah,
So
no.
that is also a help. And I think they had Easter dinner, they had a choice, and then
Oh, yeah.
yeah, so they did that. But we are just really happy that we can support them. So we're trying to put that on Facebook to encourage people that aren't aware of how good their food is and affordable to
Right.
do that. So we're excited. And of course, we're excited because we want it to open soon so the flukes can come back and play on the patio.
Oh, I know. You know what? Maybe you guys can you do a social distancing concert? Like now each person can do a Zoom and you each have your thing? Can you do that? I've seen that.
Well, what they're doing is they're working on putting a video. They're videotaping the lead guitar and then the rhythm guitar and then the voices and then somehow editing them and putting them all together.
That's
God's
doable.
working on that. And when he does, we'd like to send it to you so that you could use it even on the show.
Absolutely.
So that
Absolutely.
people
Yes,
know
we love all
thinking
this
about
great
it.
stuff. You know,
Yeah.
we're trying here on Village Television to make sure you guys are all very well informed. So Ann, I would suggest instead of Fox News or
Yes.
CNN, maybe you tune in at 9 o'clock and watch our show.
Okay, are you on every day? Actually, I turned the television on today at 10. I wasn't sure if you were going to be on at 10.
No. What we did is we changed it. So we're on Monday through Saturday now at 9 a.m. And then, of course, we always have our repeats throughout the
Okay.
day. But we're shooting live, and it's just me right now. And most of the things that we're doing are Zoom interviews, because I have lots of doctors I've been talking with and organizations. And then, of course, we have Jeff Parker, who comes in on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we sit our 6 feet apart, and he gives us updates on what's going on in the community.
Oh, so you've got stuff going on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of resources too.
You know
Okay.
what I think is exciting, Lisa, is the fact that how creative people have had to become. I just watched Graham Norton is one of my favorites that I always tape, and they had to do Zoom, you know, with Michael Bublé and different people from Vancouver is where he was and so on. But they're finding ways to make the undoable doable, which to me is exciting. And then I've seen pictures also on Facebook of, you know, people that have got their children at home 24/7 with your kids. If you're not used to it, I mean, they're committing Harry Carey probably, but they're showing how they are camping in the living room. So they've made a tent in the living room so the kids are feeling like they're outdoors. And so they really had, again, becoming creative, using your imagination. And kids, I think that's a good exercise for them to always use their imagination. So
Absolutely.
I love seeing that.
I remember those days.
Yes.
Well, actually, we spent this weekend with 150 people on Zoom.
Wow.
That's a lot.
And
It must have been really nice pictures.
Yeah.
No, actually, what we did was it was the wisdom course, and what we did was we were, you know, you'd have to screen, you know, just to see who was on, but then we'd have breakouts with like 6 to 8 people. And then we would talk to those 6 or 8 people, and then we'd go back to this main speaker. And it was very exciting. And we were actually sitting there. We had potty breaks and we had lunch breaks.
That's
and
great.
we were there from like 8 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon.
Wow.
So
I mean,
just like Constance said, you know, people are having to be creative. And I really think, I mean, what a great time to be able to use this technology.
Yes.
It's so great, you know, because obviously it's so much easier to sit at your home and listen to a seminar than it is to actually go all the way to LA or all the way, you know, whatever.
I think it's going to change the way we do everything. I think people that are working from home now may find out that they like it better than being at the office. And if companies find out this is less costly, we don't have the overhead we need, we can have people that can work at home and then have a smaller office. I think it's going to just I hope that it will bear the fruit that can be, you know, if we can't bear some good fruit from this month long or 2 months long, however long it's going to last, something beneficial out of that. I think one thing it's doing that I foresee is that we're thinking more community, which we haven't done for a long, long time.
Right.
And it's because we're becoming thoughtful and responsible people by wearing masks, by not going where we're not supposed to be going, by not congregating. That shows respect for a community and thinking of someone besides just myself.
That's a really good point. Very good point. And, you know, a couple last words here. We're just about out of time, but anything else you'd like to add to the community to let everybody know what's going on?
Not really. I heard that there's a fellow that plays the guitar down by the creek.
Oh.
Yes, I've heard that.
Have you heard that too?
Yes.
I don't know what time or what day he plays, but people go and separate themselves from each other and listen to the music.
Yeah.
There you go.
I would also suggest that Anne stop watching CNN and Fox because she'll probably get more depressed than ever. But I've been watching Netflix and lots of
I'm a Netflix fiend.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Oh,
right
my
now
goodness.
I'm on Outlanders.
Oh,
heavenly days. Yes. There's nothing better than Outlander.
Good. Well, good. Well, you know what? If you want any suggestions on what to watch on online, Netflix, Hulu, you let me know because I got a couple of good ones for you.
Good.
Yeah.
And Lisa, you had mentioned in a broadcast a week or so ago that we could purchase for $8.99 Broadway shows or something.
Yeah, that was it's called Broadway HD. So it's broadwayhd.com and it's like $8.99 a month. But like I mentioned, make sure when you go there to make sure it has the musical you want or the play that you want. But honestly, I was on a kick and I wanted to find out what they had because I was looking for Chicago, Fiddler on the Roof, you know, all those fun ones because we can't go. Well, you know,
Yeah.
they don't have them anymore right now. So it's really depressing because I really wanted to go see Chicago and, you know, I don't know if that's still going to be happening. So we'll have to see. But we have to all find ways, like Constance mentioned, to be creative. So here we are doing our Zoom. I really appreciate you all taking the time. We'll check in with you guys again. I don't know how much longer we'll be doing this, but if we do, we'll check in again with you, okay?
Oh, and make sure you say hi to the boys.
I will. I will. Thank you, ladies.
I miss
Oh.
you ladies. I miss you ladies coming into the makeup studio.
I know.
So hopefully we'll be back soon. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
All right.
Thanks for
Thanks,
your
Lisa.
patience with my computer.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you could work it out. Thank you for joining us, ladies. Talk to you soon.
All right.
Have a
Bye
good
bye.
day.
All right. Bye-bye. And we'll be right back after this.